How to send a message to seller on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video we will simply learn how we can actually send a message to seller on Amazon. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send a message to seller on Amazon, all you have to do is just go to the amazon.com website and then browse a specific product that you want. And then when you browse a specific product that you want, you can see its brand and you can see the price, the deals and everything else. But for some reason you can see that we don't have any option to contact the seller who is actually selling this product. Now you can only contact the seller after you've purchased the product by going to your order section or something. But if you've not actually purchased the product, what you can only do is you can only write a customer review and ask a general question in the comment section. So if you scroll down to the bottom of this product, basically you'll be able to see some questionnaires that others have filled in over here. And as you can see, upload a video if you want to. Or if you want to write your own customer review, then on the left hand side you can select the option called write a customer review, and then you can write anything regarding the specific product and the seller is going to contact you in the reply section. This is it on how you can contact seller on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.